Welcome to Health Flow, where we bring you simple and effective health tips. Today, we're focusing on calming the mind and body with guided breathing exercises. Whether you're feeling anxious or just need a moment of peace, these techniques are perfect for you. First, find a comfortable and quiet space. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes, and let's start by focusing on our breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4 slowly. Feel your lungs expand with air. Now, hold your breath for a count of 4. This pause is crucial for calming the mind. Next, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. As you breathe out, imagine releasing all the stress and tension from your body. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. Notice how each breath helps you feel more relaxed and centered. Now, let's try the 4-7-8 technique, a powerful method for reducing anxiety. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. This technique helps regulate your breathing and brings a sense of tranquility. Finally, we'll end with a mindful breathing exercise. Focus on the natural rhythm of your breath. Don't try to change it, just observe. Feel the air entering and leaving your body, and notice how each breath brings calmness. Remember, it's normal for your mind to wander during these exercises. Gently bring your focus back to your breath whenever you notice your thoughts drifting. We hope these guided breathing exercises help you find a moment of peace in your day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from it too. Stay tuned to Health Flow for more health tips and recommendations. Stay healthy and keep breathing.